Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export Autodesk 3ds Max to Unreal Engine 5. Okay, so we're going to need Datasmith. So if you have both Unreal Engine and Autodesk 3ds Max opened, close them. Okay. And then once that's done, open up your favorite browser. And let's just go ahead and find Datasmith Exporter right here. So click on it and open up Unreal Engine Datasmith Exporter plugins. Click on it, scroll down, and then you'll find 3ds Max Exporter. Select the version of Unreal Engine. I do have a 5.7, which is the latest one. So I'm just going to click on download right here. Okay, or you can click on the drop down right here. Okay, so click on download. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Save. Wait for the download process to finish. And then after that, let's open up the installer. Okay, so close the browser. Here we have the installer. Double click on it. Hit on next. I accept. Next. Select the version of your 3ds Max. Hit on install. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. And then after that, just wait for the process to finish. Now click on finish right here. And once that's done, you could open up both 3ds Max and Unreal Engine. Okay. So 3ds Max. Let's just create an object right here. For example, a teapot, maybe. Just like so. And maybe a pyramid. Okay. Like that. Now, once you're happy with it, we'll have the Datasmith tab right here. So you can just click on it. And here we have file export. Now click on export. Okay. Save it on your desktop. Now I have a file folder right here for UE5. I'm going to double click on it. Name it whatever you want. For example, simple proj. As you can see here, or as you may have noticed, the save as type or the file type will be .udatasmith. Okay, so just click on save. Wait a bit, and then go ahead and check your folder right here for UE5. And here we have it. Now, it's time to open up Unreal Engine. So once your project is opened, go ahead over to edit right here. Click on plugins. And then go ahead and find Datasmith. Okay. And enable any importers right here. Let's say a CAD importer, FBX importer, and then the Datasmith importer. Okay. And then once that's done, just click on restart now. Wait for Unreal Engine to open up. Now you can close this one if it pops up automatically. And then go ahead over to File. Now create a new level. Select Empty. Hit on Create. Now go ahead and click on the plus sign right here. And select Datasmith. And then File Import. Okay. Now this one will pop up. Go ahead and find the file that we have saved earlier. As you can see, for UE5, I'm going to double click on it. And here we have it. Just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and hit on open. Now click on OK right here. And choose what you want to import. Should you import the lights as well? Or the cameras or the animation? Light map right here. And then if you're happy with that, just click on import. And here we have it. That is how you export Autodesk 3ds Max to Unreal Engine 5. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.